Hey friends, today we learn how to slow-mo video on TikTok. For that, first of all, open TikTok. Then click on add icon. Shoot a video or upload it from your phone. I simply upload. Select a video you want to upload. Then click on select and click on next. Now I want to slow-mo my video. Simply click on fact. Here you see the motion sticker option at the end of the screen. Simply scroll the bar at the end and click on time. And here you see slow-mo option. Simply click on and select the duration of the slow-mo with the help of bar and place it where you want to slow-mo the video. After slow-mo, simply click on save and click on next and click on post. After click on post, you successfully made a slow-mo video on TikTok. If you like our video, please subscribe.